Alright, man, what is up, man? Back at y'all with another video, man. Alright, man, today we got just some of the finer details to do with some of this sanding, man. It's gonna be the last video sanding, man, before I drop this black on here, man. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned, man. It's not gonna be a long video. Just gonna show you how I'm just taking care of the finer little small little details, get everything fine and smooth and set up for this paint, man, on the next video. So y'all come on, let's get it, man. All right, man, like I said, man, I'm just taking care of some of these little finer little details, man. You know, just making sure everything gonna be smooth, man, and you know, getting some of these final little spots up, man. That's gonna have my paint job looking a little uneven. So making sure those spots are taken care of. Nothing too major. All just to make it all look pretty, man. And make sure this paint lasts at the same time. As y'all see, I got my scraper now. So I'm doing a combination of using this scraper and using a screwdriver at the same time, just to get in some of these little tough spots. Sorry. Shit. So like I was saying, man, just doing these little small little details, man. Making sure everything sanded down smooth, man. Especially where I chipped up some of this older paint, smooth this stuff out. That way that black just lay down nice and smooth on here. Again, it ain't gonna be perfect, but you know, I'm gonna make it look as good as I can, man. Close to perfect. Of course, y'all know the sander broke, so all this is being done by hand right now, man. this little area here. And get all this crap out of the way. Alright, man, we just going across all these little spots, man. Like I say, it's part of the finer details here, man. Getting all the little small areas that don't mean too much of nothing. Getting them all smoothed out, man. Smooth as you can, brother. That's all today is about. Getting this thing smooth, man. Whoo! Freaking mosquitoes, boy. Red cup, y'all. Y'all already know. Alright, now, so guess I just lie a little bit, huh? This. Ready to get to that paint, y'all. It's over it, man. All right, man, quick little update for y'all. Give me 1 second. All right, man, so like I said, quick little update, man. I got this thing smoothed out, got done. Inside this hatch right here, got that done. Splash well has been sanded and smoothed out, man, with the 220. Everything been smoothed out with the 220, man. These little small little cuts and crevices, I have a little bit up here to do. Inside these little, I don't even know what you call these little, inside these little channels right here, man, I gotta do inside of there, which ain't that. And did inside of this hatch, that's done. And I think I did a little bit inside of here, man. But pretty much, man, everything has been sanded down smooth, man, and you know, we pretty much good to go, man. Pretty much good to go, man. Pretty much good to go, man. Ready for paint. Pretty much good to go, man. So that's where we at, man. Small little details knocked out, man. Things that I didn't do the last time, that I wasn't able to get to the last time. I got them done today. Got that crap out the way. Got me a smooth surface, man, to paint over. And it's go time for this paint, man. Oh, man. So excited, man. I'm done with the sanding part of this boat, man. And the sad part about it is, I still got outside the hull to do, man. You know what I'm saying? On the sides and all of that stuff, man, but that's gonna come later on down the line. Still got the trailer to do, you know, which ain't gonna be no big deal, cause all I'm gonna be doing is just scuffing that up and hitting that with that 2-time Rust-Oleum. So that ain't no big deal. It's just about breaking it down and taking the bunks off and taking the things that's holding the bunks on, taking that off and switching out the hardware for, you know, for some of this stainless steel stuff, which ain't no, you know, it ain't no big deal. That's gonna be a lot easier than doing this freaking boat. But just excited, man, because I know, you know, the next step for this thing. Once this thing gets sprayed down, boy, it's like boom, 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 boom. You know what I'm saying? Put this together, put that together. Add this on. Then this thing really get to come to life. You know what I'm saying? Attack armor, the armor gauges that I'm gonna be putting on there. I can't wait to show y'all this little modification that I got. Well, little add-on. It's not, you could call it a modification, but it's this little gauge cluster holder that I'm gonna be throwing on top of the console, carbon fiber, to match the steering wheel that we have, and it's a little cluster that fit 4 gauges. You know what I'm saying? 4 2-inch gauges. So that's gonna be my tilt and trim gauge, my temp gauge, temperature gauge. I'm debating on the water pressure gauge, man. I don't know, I might just get it. And what's the other gauge that's going up there? Oh, voltmeter gauge. So Yeah, man, I'm just so excited, man, for, where this thing is headed. Like I told y'all before, man, it's been a long journey, man, a very long journey getting this thing done. I think I'm like 23 videos in on this boat, man. But I've been having a lot of fun doing it at the same time. That I can say. So just can't wait for it all to be done, man, so I could get back out here on the water, man, and get to fishing, man. That's what this channel about, fishing. But in order to fish and do the things the way how you want to do them and be comfortable and be confident, you know, for each his own, man. Everybody don't have this same thought process, man. But for me, I'm used to being in a comfortable environment, man. And when I'm not in a comfortable environment, I fix it to make it comfortable for me, you know what I mean? So that's what this project is, man. Me making sure when I'm out on the water, I'm comfortable and confident, and knowing that I'm in a reliable boat, man, where I could get anywhere I need to, and I'm gonna look good at the same time while doing that. So that's what this about, man. Like I say, we still got a long way to go, man. I say long, but it's not long. It's just, looking at certain things, it seems like it's more than what it is, but it be simple little things that, take the project a little bit further than, what you did. Like once I do this, you know what I'm saying? Like, once I get this done and get this, the top cap painted, then it's on to, like I said, it's on to putting the accessories in, the hatch lights, and the wiring up the horn. I still gotta wire up the front live well and drop that in there and all that stuff like that. All that stuff gonna just be thrown in, you know what I'm saying? It's not gonna be a big job like how it was with sanding and painting. The next big job, real big job that I'm gonna have to do is the trailer and painting the hull of the boat. You know what I'm saying? I know we're not gonna be able to get to the actual bottom part of the boat, but those sides and a little bit up here to the nose of the boat, to the bow of the boat, we'll be able to get some of that done. The bottom, I'm not too much worried about that. But man, like I say, for the most part, this thing gonna look right, man. Looking at it from from my point of view right now, this thing gonna be amazing, man. I'm putting a lot of hours into this thing, and I'm gonna make sure it's right, man. Cause I want to inspire somebody who potentially thinking about, doing a boat theyself, and not having to go to a marine place, where you wanna, or a body shop to get their boat painted, man. You could do it yourself, man. You know what I'm saying? And save thousands of dollars. I could have easily sacrificed and said, you know what, sacrifice time and said, go ahead, man, I'm gonna pay somebody $2,500 or whatever it costed to paint the boat and paint the trailer for me, and but what good would that have done? You know what I'm saying? I mean, it would have got the job done, but what good would that have got done? Oh my God, scratch that. What good would that have been without me putting in my own sweat and tears into this boat? And like I say, man, I wanted to build a connection with this boat, man. You know what I'm saying? Because it's a lot of sentimental value that's into this at the same time, man. Like I told y'all on the last video, you know, like with the motor, you know, Miss Johnson, man, you feel me? That's in dedication to my mom. So I wanted to put my own sweat and tears into this project, man. So that's what it's about for me, and I'm happy I did it. Yeah, I be tired. Yeah, be kicking my butt sometimes. Yeah, be truthful with y'all, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes I be like, man, why the hell did I do this myself? Why the hell didn't I just pay somebody to do this? Yeah, them thoughts creep into my mind, but then I always remind myself of, you know, why I'm doing it and why I chose to do it myself, you know what I'm saying? And at the same time, you know, it's like I say, man, it's, you know, giving somebody else that confidence, man, that they could do this themselves, man. Cause like I say, I'm a guy, I've been on many of boats before, fishing as a co-angler and, you know, doing these things. But now to be a boat owner and have a boat yourself and to be able to do it the way that you want to do it and have the things that, you know, work for you and that's to your liking, I'm glad I did it, man. I'm exceptionally glad I did it. So once this top cap get done, man, which will probably be getting done sometime. Today is Saturday, man, which will probably be getting done sometime this next week coming up. I'll probably come here one day, probably won't film it, but just come here one day and tape everything back up. Tape the front deck up, the floor deck, and tape up the rub rails and everything, man. Tape all that stuff up, man, so I have no overspray. And that next video y'all will be getting, man, to be me spraying this thing up, man. And then, you know, it's like it's on from there, boy. It's like it's going. Y'all gonna just see me just okay. Video of me installing this, install that, install this, install that. You know what I'm saying? And then once that's done, then it's the big feat of still don't know how I'm gonna do that. I've been watching a lot of videos on it, a couple of different videos of, you know, taking the boat off the trailer and sitting it on some wood or center blocks or whatever, you know what I'm saying? So that's the next step, what I'm gonna be doing. Cause I need to get to this trailer, man, ASAP. Once that trailer done, I'm good. We'll be all right then, once that's done. I feel so much better once this trailer done and sitting on this freaking boat. I will feel, I'm gonna feel so much better once this trailer done. But, you know, like I say, step by step, man. Step by step, man, we gonna have this thing right, man. It's looking good. Looking pretty good. Y'all see the little homie over there chilling. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi, Asia. Say hi, Asia. But yeah, man, you know, I'm just amazed, man, at how far, you know what I'm saying, things have come. Just amazed, to be honest with y'all. But looking at this thing, man, I didn't know this thing had 3 of those. Let me see, is it 3? Yeah, it's 3. This thing got 3 rollers on it. I ain't even know it had all of that. 3 rollers, plus the bow roller. So yeah, man, it's time to get this project turned up, man. As y'all can see, Continental, it's a Continental trailer, man. You know, so got I told y'all we going with the same color flat black that we going on the boat. We going with that on the trailer, and I actually got a Continental trailer sticker, man. That's in white, and that's what we gonna be throwing on this thing, man. Got some trailer light kits, man. They smoked out, so that's what we gonna be throwing on this thing, man. Trailer rims, goddamn, they in white. You know, so we just trying to coordinate a little bit, man. Have this thing, you know, have this thing looking right, man. So this just some sit down talk, man, with y'all, man, for right now. It's a little sit down talk. Get this, once this thing get painted and I drop this carpet on here, we're gonna get this raggedy tarp off of here and throw this this boat cover over this thing, so we don't have to worry about water getting in here no more. Cause I got the boat cover that has the outboard cover over it. It's all connected together, so you know, once we get this outboard back mounted up on here, man, then everything will be looking good, man. And I could get this stupid blue tint from over this boat. Tint done messed up and done tore up and got raggedy from just sitting out here dealing with the sun and the weather, the rain. Ozark Trail tint, yeah, Walmart. So that didn't last that long, but I'm excited, man. Gotta change the hubs, gotta change the leaf springs, gotta change out some of the U-bolts. Most of these things we gonna try to keep in salvage, man, cause I'm a painter, and we gonna try to keep some of this stuff. We only gonna switch out the stuff, man, that we need to switch out, the stuff that's rusted and things like that, man. But most of this stuff on here we gonna keep. Of course, we gonna change the tongues on the trailer, the jack, the winch, you know, things like that. But most of these things on here we gonna try to keep on here, and we just gonna have to paint them up, man, and make them look nice, man. Make them fit the trailer. So that's what the plan is, and I'm happy y'all been riding out with me, man. But yeah, man, enough of that talking. Just wanted to, you know, have a little sit down talk with y'all real quick about what's upcoming to the channel, and you know, things to look forward to. Hope I inspire one of y'all, man, to take on the journey or take on the job like this, man. You know, instead of, you know, I'm not gonna say being lazy, but you know, because I know everybody don't have the time to put into this like that, and I really honestly don't have the time to put into it myself. But you know, this come with making a few sacrifices, man. Actually come with making a lot of sacrifices, man. And I'm gonna be the first to tell y'all, man, it's all worth it at the end of the day, because when you get to see, you know, the results, and you get to see your project come to a completion, man, it give you a sense of relief, man, and it give you this, I can't explain it, but it give you this feeling, man, that, you know, like I could take on the world and I could conquer anything, you know what I mean? So that's what it does for me. And I can't wait for y'all to, you know, see the finale of this, man. I can't wait to see it myself, man. So, you know, y'all just make sure y'all stay tuned, man, and keep these videos, man. Keep me in mind, let me say that, you know what I'm saying? Like I say, it'll be a whole bunch of people, you know, watch the videos, man. The like button don't match up with who watch the videos. Even if you don't like them, man, you could hit a thumbs down. It don't matter to me. You know what I'm saying? But let me know you watching, man. Drop a comment down below, man, and say, you know, just type in Nate, whatever. Type something in, man. You know what I'm saying? You watch the video, leave a thumbs up, leave a thumbs down. You know, leave a little comment, man, like, hey, man, I see you. You know? Just engage, man. You know what I mean? Let me know what I'm doing wrong. Let me know what I'm doing right. You know? You got any questions, you know, that you want to ask, man, feel free. There's no need to be scared to ask questions. I'm going to respond back to them, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, it's just, you know, trying to get this channel turned up, man. I'm at 75 subscribers, trying to get to 100 so I could do this freaking giveaway, man. I got these baits that I've been sitting on for the longest, and I'm trying to give them away, man. So maybe you the lucky person, man, that's going to, you know, be the one to get that, man. And then, like I told y'all before, when I get to 1,000 subs, I'm giving away a Abu Garcia rod and reel combo. Don't know which one it's gonna be, but it's gonna be something that I will fish with. You know what I'm saying? And if y'all haven't looked at my rod and reel arsenal combo, I don't have no cheap rod and reels in my arsenal, man. So it's gonna be something that somebody can have for years and years on down the line, man. Something that's gonna last, some quality equipment, man. So make sure y'all get them subs up, man, and tell a friend, share the video. Just show some love, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm doing these videos to motivate individuals, man, who love fishing and who passionate about fishing, man. So I've been sacrificing a lot, man. I've been sacrificing not fishing, man. We literally could take this boat out on the water right now and go fish on it, but I just don't want to go out there and fish with it like this, you know what I mean? So I'm sacrificing a lot, man, of something that I really love, man, which is fishing. So just letting you know how all in I'm in on this project, man. So yeah, man, long story short, man, I hope this motivates y'all to want to get out there and grind and take you on a project like this, to give yourself a better quality of fishing and to give yourself a lot more confidence while you out there fishing, man. So yeah, man, quick little sit down talk with y'all. Probably been talking for 10 minutes, but you know, it is what it is, man. I love y'all, man. All right, man, like I say, final details, man. So this all we really had left. Excuse the Alpine. That's all we really had left to do, man, is like this right here, man. In between these, which one no big deal, something simple. Look pretty dog, man. I'm not gonna touch it because my hand was. Look pretty, so. Look pretty, up there. Snap yourself, brother. Yeah, man, that's the final detail, man. This thing is smoothed out, man. this up the acetone, make sure it's real clean. So that top coat black will stick to this real good and, you know, lay down nice and smooth. And man, pretty much I'm done, man. Pretty much, let me check one more thing. But pretty much I'm done with it, man. Yep, console is smooth. Got nothing else I need to do with this. Console smooth, man. So pretty much that's it, man. Like I told you, I wasn't too much worried about this seating area, cause you know this gonna be, the seat gonna cover this, so that ain't even no big deal. But everything else smooth, man, as y'all can see. Nice and smooth, man. So that's where we at. Well, I didn't do this part right here. Cause this cable was here, so I didn't get a chance to get to this area. Simple. Something simple. So yeah, man, that's smoothed out. Everything feel good, man. Vacuum this thing up real quick, man, and I'm gonna close this video out, man. One of the first times that I said, hey man, it's gonna be a short video, and it's really gonna be a short video.
Nah, I don't believe
so. Yeah, I'm gonna vacuum this thing out, man, and close it out, baby. All right, man. Closing this video out, man. Boat has been detailed with the sanding, man, and we done, bruh. It's over with, man. The sanding job is done on this boat, man. The next step is wiping this thing down, cleaning it up, man, and spraying it up with that black, man. I'm so happy to be at this stage, man, to get this boat moving along further and getting it on to, you know, taking on his identity, man. Even though I said it's taking on his identity before, you know what I'm saying, but it's really finna take his identity right now, man. So more than happy, man. Can't explain to y'all how excited I am for this thing to get going on. Even the dog know, man. Y'all see it. Even the dog know, man. You know what I'm saying? Finna get that pretty black like her right there, man. Like him, brother. Yeah, finna get that pretty black. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, you know, more than excited, man. And it's been a journey, man, to get to this point, man. And I can't express how, what's the word I'm looking for, man? I can't express how, just put it like this, man. I can't express how happy I am to be at this stage and to finally get to spraying this thing and being done with this part of the boat, man, so I can start doing my other accessories that I need to put on, man. My the wiring for the horn, the wiring for the hatch lights, the wiring for the deck lights, and putting all that stuff in, you know what I'm saying? What else I supposed to be putting on? My steering wheel, you know what I mean? The CMC PT 130. I'm so excited, man, because now I can get to that stuff like that, man. So enough rambling. This video finna be over, man. I'm just happy, man, and I want to thank y'all for tuning in and joining me on this journey, man. It's not over with yet. Still going. We still got a little ways to go, man, before we put this thing out on the water, but it's not that far, I promise you. A lot of this other stuff is small stuff, and it's just like, boom, put on, bolt on, clamp on, you know what I mean? So that's where we at, man. And we got Miss Johnson back there, man, and As y'all see, you know, she ready to be painted up, primed up and painted up, man. So that's where we at, man. Yeah, what up, homie? What up, homie? Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. But yeah, man, you know, so happy, man, and you know, this thing here is coming to a close, man. It's getting closer and closer, baby. So y'all lay around for it, man. Make sure y'all stay tuned in, man. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel if you're new. If you're not subscribed, turn your post notifications on all, man, and hit that like button, man. Hit that thumbs up, man. You're rocking with your boy, man. I love y'all. Hope y'all love me back, man. We out of here, man. Peace.